Hey everybody, Tyler here at Modern Driveline. Today we've got a brand new package that we just released. This is for the 73 to 79 F-Series and second gen 78 to 79 Bronco. If your manual or automatic is feeling a little tired in your old pickup or Bronco, this is the perfect package for you. This is a 5-speed Tremec TR 4050, and we include everything that you need to make the installation as seamless as possible, including brackets for the 4-wheel drive linkage, bell housing, clutch, flywheel, all the hardware, even pieces to modify your existing transmission tunnel cover and seal it even better than factory. So if you have any questions on this particular kit or want to get your hands on one, give us a shout. Check us out at moderndriveline.com. And like always, thanks for making it modern.